What's up, everybody? This is not really the video I was expecting to make anytime soon, but as you all know, AFCON 23, Senegal got eliminated by Ivory Coast in penalty shots, 5-4. I'm speechless. First 4 minutes, I was like, oh, goal, exciting. Looks like Senegal is going to just go all out, but it looks like they just dropped back after the first goal and just talked in many opportunities from the Ivory Coast. And it just took one penalty to make it to 1-1 and took it all the way to penalty shots. And unfortunately, Senegal was not able to make it. The AFCON, like I've been saying it since the very beginning, probably the best tournament after the World Cup. Unpredictable. It doesn't matter if you're the top country. It doesn't matter if you are the current champs. Everybody has a chance. Senegal was the defending champ. There was a history that the last 5 champs were not able to make it past the round of 16. And unfortunately, Senegal was one of them. And they got beat by the hosting country. On the other part, Ivory Coast was wounded, have not played so well. They only won one game, got destroyed by Equatorial Guinea. But that's what happens with a wounded club, team, animal. Nothing to lose, lots of pressure, fire the coach, have a brand new one. And apparently the new coach smell, it's a real thing. Because it started something to the Ivory Coast that you have not seen the entire tournament. So congratulations to Ivory Coast for making it past Senegal. And for my people, c'est pas grave. Il faut juste retourner. Des fois tu gagnes, des fois tu perds. Mais il faut juste célébrer les joueurs qu'on a. Ça arrive. Il faut juste penser que maintenant, il y a les qualifications pour la Coupe du Monde. Se reposer un peu. Et on va se retrouver bientôt. Alors, everybody else, hope you have a great day. And I can't wait for City soccer to start because this ain't it. It's your boy Musa. Hope you have a good day. And as always, enjoy football. Life is way too short. Don't be angry. Peace.